Hi there. Struggling to turn messy spreadsheets into clear visual business insights? Today, we are deploying an optimized Power BI workspace to automate your data analytics and build stunning dashboards for zero cost. Let's prep your charts. Move straight down to the description and download the analytical package directly from our website. Launch this primary installer to let the script configure your folders and extract the baseline framework. As soon as the core files land, a secondary deployment wizard will automatically show up. Simply let this native sub-installer map out the visual components and link the default query tools. Now, fire up the application shortcut to see the main design canvas take shape. Allow the startup workspace to initialize completely to ensure all charts and palettes load up with zero lag. Your advanced business intelligence station is fully operational, verified, and ready for deep data insights. Rush over to our website right now to claim your files and start building dashboards like a boss.